Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can upgrade your Evernote subscription. It's quite easy. There's this big green bar at the top of your screen asking you to upgrade your subscription. You can click on it and it will give you a monthly or an yearly version of your current plan. But if you want to scale up and use other plans that are available, well, for that, you will have to come into your browser and select either one of these. There's a personal, professional, and Teams plan. Accordingly, you can select either a monthly subscription or an annual subscription. So it all comes down to your choice. If you are at a singular level, which means it's just you using Evernote, go for the personal one. If you have a multitude of people that you want to share this account with, I would suggest for you to go with Teams. But all in all, I would say you can even keep your free version and go ahead and use that. As you can see, you can create 50 notes, create up to one notebook, and yeah, as you can see, these features are still there. But if you want to upgrade, just come over here to evernote.com/compare plans and you can select other plans. But if you are using if you have already logged in or signed up, it will ask you to carry on with your current plan as a monthly or a yearly subscription. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can upgrade your subscription in Evernote. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.